Hi Huma, I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Sorry to hear about the problem with your Samsung washing machine. Now, I'm sorry I'm not in the workshop for the next few weeks as I'm going to Europe to visit the IFA Berlin trade show, but I am helping people out with regards creating these FAQ pages for them. Now, I've actually created you an FAQ page on this fault with your drum not turning. You say you can hear a humming noise off the motor, but the drum is not turning. First thing to do is stop using the machine completely. If the drum is not turning or seized, then you're going to do damage to your circuit board or the motor if you continue trying to get the machine working this way. It's a direct drive motor system. I haven't been able to get you much technical information on this apart from exploded views of the machine with all the genuine part numbers. I will actually be speaking to Samsung at the trade show with regards possibly trying to get access to their information to help people like yourself out. Now, there's a couple of things that may have occurred. Firstly, you either have a small item of clothing lodged in between the inner drum and the outer drum. Things like baby socks, handkerchiefs, stuff like that sometimes can go between the gap on the door seal, and as the machine's turning, they twist round and lock the drum up from the inner to the outer drum. If that's the case, then it could be quite simple to fix. The first thing you've got to do is find the item of clothing. Now, the only way to do this is either go inside the drum. You're going to have to turn the machine off, open the door, stick your head inside the drum with a torch and closely look through all the perforation holes on the drum to see if you can spot something. If you can't spot it that way, the only other way you can gain access to the drum without splitting it is going to be taking the heating element out and looking through that hole, or taking the sump hose off or the detergent hose. You may be able to see something that way. If you can't, then you're left with no choice. You're going to have to strip the machine down. It's well worth doing it because these machines were built very well. The other thing that could have happened, you say it was in storage for a long period of time. You may have got seized bearings on the spider, or possibly the spider has collapsed. Parts are still available for the machine. I've put a link in the description below for you. This has got additional videos on the link to show you how to strip down a Samsung washing machine, and there's also other videos there on diagnostic mode, test mode, and so on. But the exploded diagram is there, and it will give you a good indication of how the machine came apart. I'm sorry I couldn't get you the workshop manual, but at short notice like this, I've just not able to contact any friends in the industry to actually get the manual. But as I said, I will be having a word with Samsung when I'm at the trade show. I hope this helps you. Follow the link below. There's also a little bit of extra on the end of this video to explain how to use the actual website with regards to the page I created for you. Hope this helps you. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help with their washing machine, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. We don't just make videos on washing machines. We do cookers, dishwashers, tumble dryers, fridge freezers, and many other types of appliance. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us. And if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul the Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.